So children, before we start the workbook, I want you all to read lesson number 2 from the course book thoroughly and also practice the exercise part. From this guide, you have to read, learn the word buzz, word drill and question answers, and you have to be perfect in it. Okay children, let's start now. So children, now we will start with lesson 2. What are the boys doing? Listen to the instructions given carefully children. Okay? The first one is word bus. As you know children, you have seen in the guide and you have watched the video also. According to that, here we have given the 10 words and the space below it. You have to see this word and write it in the space given below neatly. Okay, you have to write for 5 times children. Understood? Now I'll show the next part. I'll move the book so that you can see it clearly. Here also we have given 1, 2, 3, 4 words. You have to write this given word here down for 5 times neatly. Okay children? Yes, now you all know how to pronounce these words. You have to read while writing these words here. Okay children? Now the second part, word drill. Same children, you have seen in the guide and in the video. Same according to that, you have to read this word. Okay? First you will read the word and its meaning. Then you will write here below for 3 times. Okay? You have to repeat it for 3 times. Read and write. Okay children? Now the same for second word. Yes? And the third word. Understood children? Any confusion? No, na? Okay. Now turn the page for the next section, that is 3. Let's answer. The first question is, what are the boys doing? Children, you have already read the answer in the guide. Now you have to write that answer here, but without seeing. You have to close the guide and keep it aside, and you have already learned, you already know the answer. Remember that and write the answers here neatly. And children, no spelling mistakes. Now, question 2. Where is Arif hiding? Write the answer neatly here. Now, the third question. Question 3. What are the girls doing? You know the answer children. Write it here. It's very easy. You have read the lesson thoroughly. You have learned the guide properly. You know the answer. Only thing you have to remember and write it correctly. Okay? Question 4. What is Charu doing? Write the answer here. Question 5. What does Geeta's card say? Write the answer here. What is Monica doing? Write the answer here. Okay children, understood? All the 6 question answers you have to write it here properly. Read the question, write the answers properly without doing any spelling mistakes. Okay children? Now the next page is of art integrated section. Children, this page you have to take it as homework. The first part is role play. Here you have to write the name of the characters of this lesson. You can take help of your family members and do according to what I am saying now. As I have told children, Like this, you have to write the name of the characters of the lesson. Tanya, Meena, Charu, Geeta. If you want, you can draw one line here and write the remaining characters' name here. Okay? Now what is the homework? Here, you have to take help of your family member. Involve all your family members to do this fun activity. Here, each one of you have to play each characters. Okay? Now suppose you have played the role of Tanya. Then against this name, you have to write your name. Okay? And suppose if your mother has played the role of Meena, then in front of it, you can write mother and her name. Suppose your sister has played this role, then write sister and write the name of your sister. Next, Charu, Geeta, and so on. Okay, children? You will have fun doing this activity. Okay? Now, next part is grammar zone. What is given here? Write definition of noun with examples. Okay? Children, this definition of noun you have seen in the first lesson, grammar zone. But still, once again I will tell you, see, listen and follow the instructions. In the first line you have to write noun is naming word. Understood, children? In the first line you will write noun is naming word. Children, remember, and then you have to write without saying. Okay. Now the second line. In second line you have to write name of person, place, animal, thing. Understood? And below each word you have to draw the arrows like this. Okay? After drawing the arrows, what you have to do here is, once you draw the arrow, here below you have to write name of any person. You can write your name too. Below place you can write any city's name. You can write even Dharwad. Next, animal. Here you have to write your favorite animal. Okay? And under thing you have to write any one of your favorite toy. Okay, children, understood this? Okay. Now here I want the family member to listen to my instructions given here carefully. This is the dictation part. As you all know, in guide we have given 10 words. Now you have to dictate 5 words from that given 10 words. You have to repeat each word twice and the child has to write the word without saying. So children, here first you can number the 5 words and keep it ready. Once your parents or any family members who will dictate the words, it will be easy for you to write fast. Okay children? Understood? Okay. Now this is the last part and the most interesting part. Here it is given, which is your favorite outdoor game and why? Here you have to write your favorite outdoor game. Outdoor game means, children, which you play outside. Okay? Of course, now we are not supposed to go out and play. But before, what you used to play? Out of that, which one is your favorite game? You have to write here. For example, if you like cricket, you can write that word cricket or hockey or basketball or whatever. Then, down what you have to do here is, you have to write why this is your favorite game. Why do you like playing this game? You can write in 2 sentences. Suppose if you don't want to write in sentence, you can just write 5 words. In that 5 words, you should describe why this is your favorite game. And yes, here you can write the famous sports person who belongs to that game what you have written here. Suppose, for example, if you have written cricket, you can write the famous cricketer's name. Or whichever sports you have written, whichever outdoor game you have written, any famous personality, you can write their name here. Okay, children? So, children, this is the art integrated section. Each part of this page I have explained you in detail. You have to follow the instruction and enjoy doing this page with your family members. Will you enjoy now, children? Yes? So, as I told you, this will be your homework. And as you are going to have fun and enjoy with your family, we will name it as Fun Homework. So, children, did you enjoy lesson number 2? Yes, even I. Very nice it was. So, children, see you soon. Bye as of now. And remember, stay home, stay safe.